All right. I think I got my numbers in the video last wrong. So today it's C1x Road to launch day 13. I think the last video was day 12. Maybe I got it wrong again. I don't know. Shorter video today. Might be doing a second one today. But right now we are going to try and run through a few more of these. These Instagram post templates for the app. So we've got the I did a live Q&A one. This was off camera, but I think I'm going to stick with that for that post. I was saying about doing a live Q&A on launch for the app. So that's something I wanted to get ready. This is just a FAQ time. Maybe instead of Q&A, I'm just going to go, we're going to call it FAQ. Okay. That's going to be the FAQ post. Trying to keep them simple, not a ton of effort. So these are both done. I'm in the right folder here already. These two are done. We already did the recaps. I did post a recap from my tournament today for C1x. I'm going to try and reshare that to the C1x account later. Okay. What else? What's another easy one? Let's go with let's do the business partnerships one. Trying to start with ones that I think the Canva templates will be pretty good for. What if we just call it partnership? No, maybe sponsor. Not quite. Business partnership. Merger. Obviously not what's actually happening, but something that will give me a graphic that fits it. I just want like a side-by-side of a couple graphics. Just a partner. No. These all have too much going on too. That one's closer. Not good, but closer. Maybe we start with it. Maybe I like that one better. Maybe. Can't tell, does this have? Does not say premium on it. So I don't think there's anything on there that I really can't use. Let's go elements. Instead of like 2 mountains. Is that a thing? We got any nice photos with 2 mountains on it? Clearly we're not on the same page as far as what mountains are. Not a single one of those pictures was of mountains. What was that? I just need a background here. Place background. no buttons. Upload. So the idea would be that C1x is this one. Their logo would go here. Group those two. Group. Group. Come on. Okay, and then send this to back. Ooh. Send that to back. So clearly there's some shadows here that we were missing on this, that I can't select here. I don't even know what this is that I'm grabbing, but I'm annoyed by it. Group. That's great. Get out of the way. Group all of those. There we go. Now we got some shadows. If we send this to back now, like so, and then their graphic could go here. This one will be a C1x. And then this label. You can come in. I don't need to copy that. We'll just move this down here. Yeah, way too big. Give me the right text, make it black. Doesn't look like black. What did I click on? Black. Thank you. All right, get rid of that. Get rid of the airplanes. We have no need for airplanes. Could always be slightly updated, but maybe we'll make this bigger. That's a start, at least. I don't want to put too much effort into it without knowing what those would ever look like, if they even happen in the first place. So we'll call that good. All right, so those partnerships is done. Maybe giveaways. Did get the update finally published. Email newsletter sent out for version 0.0.4. That went out this morning. So that was good. Apple finally did their approval. Finally gave their approval. All right, giveaways. I like just how simple this one looks. Okay. announced in our story. Yeah.
Actually, I do have a question. I was thinking.
All right. We just make this one say C1x. Delete 1. I don't really love this graphic or that. Can I get a, what about like a rocket though? Or present? All the good ones require pro, understandably. Every single one of them is premium. Stop showing me. I wish they hadn't got rid of the filter thing. The inability to filter out the premium graphics is just, I feel like them trying to be annoying. Saying that you don't even get to find the free graphics without paying money. I do think that's a little bit silly. A little cheesy. A little bit cheesy. Let me grab this. Here, maybe. It's pretty close. Okay. I don't know why that looks. Not the best though. Like it's. Looks fine there. A little bright when I zoomed out. C1x. Let's go effects. We're gonna go outline. I'm gonna make these all white. And I want to make the background black. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. think that just looks... I'm not loving it now. We're just gonna flatten it. It's probably better. The effects, can I... Not the best. Go orange. Make this white. Okay. Why is this in two separate pieces? Because it didn't fit? Seriously? That's the reason? Silly. Different font. Should we go with this one as well? No. Can leave that one as is. Let's make this a different font. No. Expand this a little bit. No comment. Let's get rid of that. And then I guess the question of what are the prizes. So then this could be prizes down here, and then I need a rounded frame. Let's grab that. And then this stuff all just needs to go. Then I would need some way to actually showcase what they could win, but we can do that right here. Okay, I think the giveaway one's good. Hit save just to make sure. Exit out. All right, so giveaways. Could do milestones next. Finish up a few more of these, and then call it. This will be a really short video, which is okay. Wanted to hop on and get a few of these graphics done though. Got some things I'm looking forward to coding into the app, and I wanted to force myself to get these done first. Milestones. What happened to my search? There we go. I want something simple. It's going to be just like a number, so I want it to be something like that. But they are all pro. It's the worst. Kind of hoping that was going to lead to something better. It did not. Milestone. Video is not bad, but can I, like, what is this background here? That's what I'm dragging. Can I do a, like a confetti? That's a video. Video. Yeah. Do our usual changes here. Let's update that background. I want it to be this. I wish it didn't cover everything up as much. That would be nice, but yeah, they're just dark. Lower it even more. Is it still visible at all? Yeah. Effects, hollow, black. Let's move it down. Let's grab this. Let's go hollow here. want a, let's go back here, just C1 rectangle. Actually, come on. Nothing here but this. No round. It is just dark. I wish there was a better way to do that. But I don't think so. And I'm sure I could. Well, yeah, I guess not. Fair. Should everything just be in all caps? Maybe we do this. I don't know what's going on here, man. Why is it so slow? This is crazy. No, dang it, not the giveaways. I better save something. Thank you. Let's do this as hollow as well. Let's just 3.8, 3.8, 80, 78. Okay, and then we can grab this, bring it up here, and then we'll go C1x. What is this spacing? Don't do that. This really should all be moved down here. Come on. Why is that grouped? No. Why can't I click this text? Group. Man, that was a struggle. All right. Yeah. It's not the best, but it could be worse. All right, milestones we're gonna say is done. Feature highlights. That was my feature highlight, so that one is done. Influencer partnerships is going to be probably just as annoying as business partnerships were. If I just do this. No, come on. What to do on this? I thought this would be more common. 2 teams. No. Highlight. No, no copy or paste. There we go. C1x. Going to change this background a little bit though. No. Add a little bit of this. A little bit of this. Get rid of that. Throw this here. I want that to be this. No. We could add their picture here. So right now, pretend like that's Name their handle. I want a rectangle here to do a border, and then I want it to be no. Send it to back. Make that smaller. There we go. Does the red look better? I don't know. That's the transparencies. Nice. Yeah. I don't hate it. This is all probably going to need to be a little bit bigger there. Oh, it's just an arrow pointing. Okay. Yeah. This should probably look better, but I don't hate it. Okay. We're going to call that one good for the influencer. Oh, let me actually, now that I've done that, let's go delete that page. There we go. Do the same thing here. Delete that first page, we don't need it. I've got that saved as my feature highlight. That one's already done. Can check out the referral program real quick. design referral. Just something simple. No? Nothing? For a friend. How about that? Not reviews. Mm-hmm. Three is what we got it to. Make that bigger as well. Let's grab these. Let's try these on my typical font. Looks just fine. Effect. Here, here, here. -35. Here's the refer a friend button in the settings. And here we can go. I don't. that's not just a frame. I hate it when they do this. I think it makes sense, but just make it easy on me. Just make it easy on me. Let's wrap it. Go here. Go here. It's probably fine. Definitely needed to be thicker. And then what to upload there would probably just be the app settings, right? I guess I could just, we could take a screenshot of that. Can upload it, and then obviously I'll have to edit it, but I also need to actually put the referral system in the app, and that would also need to happen first. So this could become mockup, smartphone, this. Yep. Just had our head there. That's unique. Layer, send it back. And then I could do a here, and then just give me a rectangle frame. That's some good spelling, I know, but I know it's enough to get the job done here. I thought it was. Yeah, okay. All right. Can I make this actually black? Better. Maybe right there. Oh. Okay. That'll be our referral post. Oh, not moved to a folder. Just want to get all these wrapped up so that I'm ready to get some posts on the account next week. Have some stuff to use, minimize the amount of work I need to do for this down the road. My last video kind of mentioned the cuts I was going to make to my intended marketing effort, and sticking with that. Countdown. Subscribe page C1x. Center it. Launch. No, just change that one. Change the one that I selected. What is going on here? Change the color. Thank you. launch countdown. Days, hours, minutes. Then I want to grab this here. I want my Apple and Android logos, which are going to be, let's go to projects. I've got them somewhere. Probably just grab them from, yeah, let's just do this. Can this work? Yeah. Just center. Countdown. Maybe we go all caps with it. That is not the best. All right. And I think I want to, like a park photos. I don't know if that's going to be quite what I'm looking for, but we'll figure it out real quick. Yeah, not just green. So sticking with the mountains. Sticking with them. Yeah. I like it. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That's our launch countdown post. Back it up. So that's done. Can I get in a watch post real quick? Surely. Kind of like what this is going for. There's lots of things I don't like about it, but some things that I do. All right, so this is going to go up here. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Make this bigger. This becomes this. We can hollow it actually. And then this Wrap it with that, maybe a little bit thicker. Yeah. A little further over there. Okay. Coming soon. Oh, don't add the. Yeah. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And then instead of this, we could just, like we'll grab this, let's throw this on here, make it big, throw it in a mock-up for a watch. Watches. Take stats. Small stats. X. No phone required. Yeah. Get rid of that. Let's throw. Accurate. Trying to think of some other words I could just throw around here. Yeah, whole thing is white. Effects hollow. Sport. Use stats on phone after round is finished. A little smaller here. Alright, maybe we get rid of the text here. And then honestly what I could do is we could, instead of that text, I could make this a little bit, just a little bit smaller. Keep it in the center here. And then I could mock up a couple other graphics from the watch after the fact. I don't have just a front-facing Android watch, which is a wee bit annoying, but do something like throw this there and throw it over here. Like so. Okay. Does this look silly if I... No. We'll leave it as is. Maybe make it a little bit. Don't hate it. All right. That can be our watch functionality here. We can even do one that's now live. Blow it up. Make this bigger. Let's go ahead and center that. Even bigger. Probably about that height. Center it again. Okay. We'll call that good. And I think I'm going to call that good for our Instagram post templates. Let's go down and check them out real quick. All right, launch milestones done. Influencer partnerships done. Watch functionality done. Giveaways done. Q&A. Launch countdowns. Business partner spotlights. Referral program. FAQ. Launch post version progression. So those are all kind of just ideas, I think, that all fill into the idea list that I have, but I don't think I'm gonna create any templates for those right now. I think they'll all kind of fit in well, with the one exception of like the marketing material one that's gonna be in this general folder, but that might be one I create as it comes up. So I'm gonna call it there. We're gonna say that that's good. I'll probably call it here for the video. Got the Instagram post templates out of the way at least. I wanted to do that at some point this week. I think next video we're gonna be jumping back over into coding some new features. Maybe starting to implement this referral system into the app. But yeah, we'll wrap it up there. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.